Hello builders, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make shorter the cable for the fan, for the Bitaxe. What we need is, yeah, of course, the fan. In this case I'm gonna use some scrap one, which I don't use anymore, the terminals, and the crimping pliers. As well, something to cut the cable. In this case I'm gonna use simply a scissor. Um, I more or less count this size, and the cable will go on the right side, and then you have enough short cable. So let's start with cutting the cables. Then we need to peel them off. I'm gonna use my finger because I don't have enough so small tool to do it. They're so cable are full of flux that it's very hard to do it. And the last one. Here we go. And two more terminals. And you might have the cable a bit too long, so like me, we're gonna short it. Still a bit too. They're very small, so the cable. Then you use the smallest, which is point 25. The cable slip out. See if I can insert it. And here we go. 1 out of 3. They're very small, so you have to play a bit around. What I do is I'm securing with the 2 smaller wings on the side and then putting it into the crimping tool. And the second one is done. Basically we repeat the same in all of them. And the last one. Hoppa. To be sure you do it with both sides. And that is it. Now it's short. And you can install it on your Bitaxe. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.